According to latest media reports, the Indian Air Force is overhauling its plan to induct 114 medium-weight multi-role fighters, and according to a senior Air Force official, the fighter jets will be built in India with significant foreign technology transfer, and currently the final steps related to build manufacturing capability for the $17 billion MMRCA is being worked out. The main aim is to extract maximum transfer of technology from the foreign original equipment manufacturer and start manufacturing subcomponents through Indian companies, and there is also a provision for exporting the fighter jets. India is also seeking transfer of technology for stealth technology, active electronically scanned array radar systems, avionics CW systems and engines. The Indian Air Force Chief has said that the focus on Make in India and its major indigenous acquisition programs will give a boost to the local industry, and even the programs with foreign companies like the acquisition of 114 medium-weight multi-role fighter jets will also maximize technology transfer and localization. The order for 83 Tejas Mark 1A is all set to be finalized in the next few weeks. That will benefit the micro, small and medium enterprises as well as the private sector, and the Air Force is also ready to launch the medium-weight fighter program. He also said that the Super Sukhoi upgrade program is also being processed, as Hindustan Aeronautics will soon be out of work at its production facilities. The purchase of additional MiG-29 is also on, while the C-295 transport aircraft program with Tata and Airbus is at the final stages. The US Navy has begun its search for a new trainer to replace its Boeing T-45, and the competitors in the acquisition program includes Boeing's T-7A, Lockheed Martin T-50A, and Leonardo's T-100, but none of these jets have been developed for carrier operations, and they have not been modified to demonstrate carrier landings and takeoffs. Top experts have said that India's Naval Tejas program has already demonstrated the required capability, and also has a two-seater naval variant as demanded by the US Navy, and it makes the Naval Tejas the perfect candidate if India responds to the request for information sent out by the US Navy. Pakistan has said that countries will face several problems to deploy the S-400 air defense systems, as the end user must invest in different types of radar systems to cover all the blind spots, and build a secure high-speed information exchange system to share target tracking data, and fine-tune training to eliminate the errors, otherwise the end user will fail to use the S-400 air defense system effectively, or lose it against a large number of incoming cruise systems, and this is one of the ways Pakistan is trying to counter India's S-400 air defense system. The Indian Defence Secretary has said that after the South China Sea, the Indian Ocean region is becoming the new focus of Chinese ships. He also pointed out that due to a lack of security apparatus to support the Indian fishermen, they are unable to tap resources in the Indian Exclusive Economic Zone, and they are currently confined to coastal areas.